Make it wiggly?
Yeah.
I know it.
You want to do it?
Having a family cuddle.
Family cuddle.
Yeah, he's on the top in the house.
Oh, the worm's having a family time.
Yeah. Hi everyone. Hi.
So today what are you going to do?
We are making another experiment.
We are going to make some wiggly worms.
Yeah. Wiggle, wiggle.
So what we need for that, we need some tissue papers and some colors, okay?
Yeah.
So I'll give you a tissue paper. You can color whatever the pattern, whatever the things you want to draw.
I want to draw a balloon only. Only these colors.
You can just color anything. Yeah, you can use. What's your favorite color?
Purple or pink.
Show me. Okay, I'm going to give you one tissue paper, and I'm also going to get tissue paper, and I'm going to do whatever my favorite things.
These. You want to have some colors for mine? I got 2 colors.
Okay, you can do whatever you want.
just
I'm using green.
Is that a green worm?
We can draw anything. We're going to color homes.
I want
Oh.
pink.
Okay, do it. Whatever you want.
I'm doing a little worm.
And then I'm going to do some patterns like that.
Why? I also do patterns.
Yeah, I think these are easy to hold.
Will it be easy?
A lot of patterns.
Ooh, okay. I just like pink.
Colors of it. We got.
It looks like red.
Yeah, I got.
Oh, I just did a dot.
It's fine. You are using pink color, and I'm going to use the orange, and I'm going to do some circles.
I can do the blue.
It's okay. You can take your time and draw whatever you feel. Whoa, so good.
Oh, purple.
What's that color?
Purple.
And you're going to connect it to this side as well.
I'm doing it. I want to.
Oh, that's way too.
It looks like a king worm. Yeah, with the hands.
Okay, but next, what color you going to use? Yes.
I'm
Green.
orange.
Blue. Are you an orange? Okay, use the orange color.
Bang, bang,
What are you going to draw now? See, mommy drew some pattern.
I know, I can't do it like you.
It's okay. You're still 3-year-old. You can practice when you. Yeah, see, you can do it. You want to do a circle or what?
A circle.
You want to do a circle now? Wow, good job. And bit. Oh, see, you did it.
I'm just circle. I'm doing purple blue one.
Yeah,
That's an oval. Wait a second. I need to draw the middles.
Okay.
It looks like a mango.
What else you
A
need to
big
do?
mango.
Is it mango?
Yeah,
Okay.
that's a mango.
What's that?
That's a cucumber.
Oh.
No, it's not a cucumber. I need to have another color of it.
Is it orange?
No, no. Yeah, I need green.
Green? Okay, what's
Yeah.
that you are drawing now?
A pumpkin.
You were drawing a pumpkin? Wow. Wow, you are really good.
I know how to draw a scary pumpkin.
Okay, so what we do next is we get one of these pencils and hook like this, and we roll it like this.
And
Roll, 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 roll,
cut that one by sticks.
And
make
we
it
squish it
la la la.
to make nice worms like that. We
Like
already made some. See? Like this we make squish it and get it
Wiggle,
out.
wiggle, 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 wiggle.
Okay. Now we get some water.
Make it wiggly.
Yeah.
I know
You
it.
want to do it? You know it? Have you done this before?
No.
Okay. Oh, what's happening? Ah, see?
He's going down on her friends.
Yeah.
Yeah. This is very colorful. Which one is mine?
Can you find it? Okay, put more.
Oh, this is mine. I don't know.
Wow. You like it? Yeah.
They're having a family cuddle.
Family cuddle.
Yeah, he's on the top being house.
Oh, the worms having a family time.
Yeah.
That's so nice.
Oh, I want some water. Please, he want water. He want to be small, but he want water. He want water to be small.
Yeah. Okay. Okay, you want to say bye-bye?
Ah.